Hello friends, I am Dr. Priya Chandil from Sushruta Eye Hospital, Mysore. Today I will be talking about the importance of regular eye examinations. Out of a survey, it has been found that 1 out of 3 blind people are found in India. So in India, there are many people who are suffering from blindness, and out of which many conditions can be timely prevented or treated. And this can be found out only by regular eye exams. The leading cause of blindness in age-related people are cataract, glaucoma, age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Of course, refractive errors tops the chart, and there are many people who ignore their defective vision by unnecessarily straining their eyes. Cataract is the opacity which develops in the natural clear lens of the eye due to aging process. Cataract causes blurry vision, decreased contrast sensitivity and increased sensitivity to glare in the night especially. Timely surgical correction of the cataract can restore normal vision, but delaying cataract surgery or ignoring it can lead to complications which makes cataract surgery difficult and can lead to other complications like loosening of the supports of the lens and glaucoma. The second leading cause of blindness in elderly is glaucoma. Glaucoma is the silent thief of vision. Glaucoma is caused due to increased pressure of the eye and causes defective side vision. Early diagnosis and treatment of glaucoma can lead to prevention of irreversible vision loss. The third leading cause of blindness in elderly is age-related macular degeneration. Age-related macular degeneration or ARMD is caused due to damage to the macula of the eye. It leads to defective central vision and makes reading very difficult in elderly. Early diagnosis and treatment can significantly reduce the progression of ARMD. The fourth leading cause of blindness is diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic retinopathy is defective vision in diabetics due to swelling of the retina. It causes hemorrhages in the retina and significant loss of vision. That is why annual eye examination is mandatory for all diabetics. Stay informed and protect your sight. Thank you.